Good morning, dear children. In today's English literature class, we will go to the workbook part of Act 4, Scene 2. So, in Act 4, Scene 2, we see a calm and peaceful atmosphere. This small scene is the extensions of the previous scene. Portia is seen on a street in Venice. She asked Nerissa to find Shylock's house and get his signature on the deed whereby all his property will come under the possession of Jessica and Lorenzo. Portia and Nerissa decide to reach Belmont before their husbands return. Graciano catches up with them and presents Portia with a ring from Bassanio. She accepts the ring but declines Bassanio's invitation for dinner. Nerissa, in an aside, tells Portia that she will also manage to secure her ring from Graciano. They plan to quarrel with their husbands and accuse them of giving away their rings to some young women. Portia delights at this and hopes to have good fun at the expense of their husbands. So here characterization. The play is a romantic comedy and the Elizabethan audience expects a happy ending. They eagerly wait for the resolution of the crisis and the final celebration and the union. In this scene, the two women, Portia and Nerissa, outface and outswear men. That means they are more smarter than men. In Shakespearean romantic comedies, women emerge more shrewd and witty than men. Portia overshadows all the men in the scene with her words and deeds. Critical comments. Comic elements. The scene serves as a comic interlude. Nerissa's act of imitating her mistress and asking for her own ring from Graciano reflects the culture of the people of humble background trying to imitate the manners and ways of the nobility. The ring episode and the disguise theme add humor to the play. The scene offers relief after the intense trial scene. Shylock's shadow on the scene. Though Shylock is no more heard after he leaves the court, Portia's instructions to Nerissa to find Shylock's house and get the deed signed reminds us of his tragic plight. One feels the presence of Shylock hovering over the scene. So it is a very small scene, very short scene. And calmness is there, peace is there. And now let us go to the extract questions. So the first extract is Portia, inquire the Jew's house out, give him this deed and let him sign it. And please read the full extract. Which deed is referred to in the extract? The legal deed which Portia prepared. The legal deed which Portia prepared stating that Shylock's property will be going to Lorenzo and Jessica after his death. And he will be very happy, Lorenzo will be very happy to get the property because, or to read the deed because it is beneficial to him. He is going to get the property of Shylock after Shylock's death. So meaning exactly is given the paraphrase, children. Please go through that and write. Then third question, where is Portia going that night? Why should she reach home before her husband? Under what pretext was she away from home? So she should reach Belmont and they should reach before their husbands because they may not doubt them. Their husbands may not doubt their absence from Belmont. Then what pretext was she going from to go to a convent for meditation? What comedy follows later? Because Bassanio having given the ring to Portia. Portia accuses Bassanio having given the ring to a lady and he never knew the value. If he knew the value of the ring, he would not have parted with the ring. And what did he say? He said that he refuses this and says that he gave the ring to a woman. He gave the ring to the lawyer who saved Antonio's life. How does the ring episode become a part of the love episode? That is, this episode shows the love and commitment love and commitment between the couple, between Bassanio and Portia, and also between Graciano and Nerissa. And it also adds humor. So second extract, that cannot be. His ring I do accept most thankfully, and so I pray you, tell him furthermore, I pray you, show my youth old Shylock's house. Here the first question. When you come to the first question, sir, I would speak with you, what does Portia refer to when she says that cannot be? That is Bassanio's request. That is Bassanio's request to have dinner with him. Portia said that cannot be. She does not have time. She has to reach her place. Then why do you think she says so? Because she did not want that Bassanio should recognize her. She is disguised as a lawyer. And if she sits with Bassanio and takes dinner, he might recognize her that she did not want. Then who is the youth referred to in the context? Why should the youth be shown Shylock's house? Nerissa. The youth is Nerissa, and the youth should be shown Shylock's house to get signature in the gift deed from Shylock. What trick is Nerissa planning? How would Portia and Nerissa challenge their husbands about the rings? So what Nerissa is planning to get her ring from Graciano, the ring which he had put on his fingers when they got engaged. Then how would Portia and Nerissa challenge their husbands to their rings? Portia and Nerissa would say that Bassanio and Graciano respectively gave the rings to women, and they should not have parted with that. How will this incident later on have a comic effect? After then, Bassanio and Graciano would refuse having the ring given to women. They would say that they have given to men, that is lawyer and his clerk. And when they come to know the reality, it will be a humor. A humor will be added by this. How does the Act 4 of the play end? Act 4 of the play ends with Nerissa and Graciano going to Shylock's house to get the gift deed signed. Comment on the leadership quality by Portia from the characterization. Children, you have to write. That is what all things she did. Characterization she can take in Act 4, Scene 1. Then how does it prepare the audience for the final act? During Elizabethan period, people liked the comedies. And here, all the tensions over, trial scene over. Now there is a calm and good atmosphere. And this shows that this humor scene, this small scene which gives you humor, shows that the drama is going to be a comedy. It is going to end in happiness. So children, after reading this, reading the workbook, reading the reader, reading the workbook, go through the extracts, then complete your workbooks. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.